Scientists just found black holes so incredibly huge and so unbelievably early in the universe's history that by our own current rules of science, they simply shouldn't exist. What they discovered is changing how we think about the very beginning of everything. A space telescope called Euclid, built by the European Space Agency, just found 31 ancient galaxies. Each one is powered by a giant black hole sitting at its very center. An object called a quasar. A quasar happens when huge amounts of gas and dust spiral into a supermassive black hole, heating up to millions of degrees and glowing brighter than every star in its galaxy combined, sometimes outshining its entire galaxy by 1,000 times. 2 of these 31 quasars are the oldest ever seen by humanity. They existed when the universe was only Lobith Tizermillion years old. That's just 5% of its current age of Shursendibide billion years. Their light has been traveling toward us for more than 13 billion years, just to reach our telescopes today, carrying information from a time almost nobody expected we would ever be able to see clearly. Finding them at all required scanning through an enormous amount of sky, because their light is incredibly faint at this distance and can easily be mistaken for an ordinary, much closer star. Here's why this matters so much. These black holes weigh billions of times more than our sun. But at that point in time, the universe had barely finished forming its very first stars and galaxies. There simply wasn't enough time, by our current understanding of physics, for anything to grow that big that fast. Normal black holes are thought to grow slowly, feeding on gas and merging with others over billions of years. These ones completely broke that expected timeline. Scientists studying this discovery say it deepens one of the biggest puzzles in modern astronomy. Every time we find an older quasar, the mystery gets harder to explain, not easier. How did nature build something so massive, so early, when the universe itself was still in its infancy? Some researchers believe there may have been a faster, still unknown way for early black holes to form, skipping much of the slow, gradual growth process that astronomers normally expect to see in the black holes closer to us today. These ancient objects shone with the light of 1 trillion suns, a signal sent out almost at the very beginning of time itself, only now reaching us after crossing nearly the entire history of the universe to get here. And this is only the beginning. The universe still holds far greater mysteries than the ones we've already found. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and follow Infinite Space Hub, because the next discovery out there could completely change everything we thought we knew about the entire universe.